Hi guys, today we're going to be exploring Greek roots. There are a lot of roots this week, and we are going to practice understanding what each root means so that we can help ourselves figure out what new words are when we encounter them specifically within our reading. So we're just going to go through each root. On the left is the root, and then on the right is what that root means. So the first root is auto. Auto means self. Then we have bio. Bio means life. Geo means earth. Graph means right. Meter means measure. Peri means around. Fawn means sound. Photo means light. And tele means distant. All right, we're going to look into a couple of these today for our word study. So we can think about these bases very literally and think about what these words literally mean to help us decide the meaning of the word. So remember, tele means distant. So television. Now we know vision means to you view something, and tele means distant. So this would mean to view from a distance. So think about a television. That's what a television is made for. You sit and you view something from a distance. Now, telephone. Phone, we just learned, meant sound. So sound from a distance. Think about when you use a telephone. That's exactly what you're doing. You're calling someone from a distance and you're hearing them. So sound from a distance. Now we're going to look at another one with the word photo. And so think about the word photo. Photo means light. And so if you know, we're going to look at photography. And if you know how a photograph works, and let's go back here, but graph means write. So photograph, we have writing with light. And if you know how a photograph works, that's exactly what a photograph does. It captures light and puts it onto the paper. And so photograph is writing with light. Now, photosynthesis. So photo, again, is light, and synthesis, we've been thinking about to synthesize. That means to kind of put things together. So photosynthesis is putting things together with light. And that's what plants do when they make food. They put all these different ingredients together and then they use light energy to make food. So that's photosynthesis. So today we just kind of practiced figuring out what words mean by looking at each of these Greek roots. Today, as you're going through your word study, that's exactly what you're going to need to do. So you don't have headers like you normally do. But you're going to be looking through each word and sorting them according to things that they have in common. And so if they have photo within the word, they would go together. All of these might not always be at the beginning of the word. They could be within the word or at the end of the word, depending on the root that you're finding. So going through your words today, sorting them by things that are in common, and really thinking about what each of those words mean. If you have questions about the meaning of the word after you've really tried to figure them out using the knowledge of the roots, then we can go over that together. You might want to pause this video on this screen and maybe write down what these words, the meaning of each root, and that will help you with your word study this week. All right, happy sorting.